So as you all know that when we are doing the treatment, we always explain to you what to do, what not to do, how to use the products, but we would like to show you in a video as well, like just in case if you forget. So when you're coming for your Cosmelan main peel, which we ask you that is going to stay on your skin up to 10 hours, we would give you this Cosmelan pack. It's called home pack that you will be given by your practitioner. So first of all, before we start, we always explain to you how many hours. However, it's individual. Sometimes people need a little bit more time, so you will stick to the timing given to you by your practitioner for how many hours you're going to keep it. As for yourself, considering your concerns, your Cosmelan peel will stay on your face up to 10 hours. So 10 hours for yourself. Then this kit will be given, so we will show you a bit in detail. So if I would request you to come in, just show to our people. So you'll be given a kit with 3 products. Cosmelan 2 Melan Recovery Protect, as we have already finalized what day our current patient needs to start it. So tonight, when you're going to wash your face after the treatment, you will wash your face with a thing called brightening foam that has been given to you in your prep kit, followed by Melan Recovery. And we do advise you to put a tiny bit of this as well, just in case if you're a person who's working on computer, that protects you from UV lights as well, as it says. Now we're going to explain you the routine, how to use it on daily basis. So each morning for next 3 to 4 days, for herself next 3 days, what we need to do is wash your face with that in the morning, followed by Melan Recovery, followed by SPF. That routine you would have to do 3 to 4 days, as I said, as per suggested by your practitioner. So you will be doing this up to 3 to 4 times a day. Now at this stage, guys, you might gonna have some kind of swelling. So some people can actually experience some sort of swelling, not everybody does. If that happens, it's not a bad sign. It's actually okay. It's a normal response from your skin. You don't have to be worried about this. But yes, you can take some antihistamines to calm it down, and it is very normal to have a swelling. For somebody with a really healthy skin, it's a very normal skin response. In next 2 to 3 days, your skin, you will see it starts cracking, and you can see like a lot of flakes coming out. However, we have given you enough products in your starter kit. The clinic can suggest you, so we do recommend you to purchase ideally fast skin repair. So this is intensively moisture, like it's a very, very intense moisture that really helps you to go on through your procedure very smoothly. Then Melan Recovery has been given, but if you are somebody who's constantly putting it on and you might gonna need more, you have an extra Melan Recovery that you can purchase from us anytime you wish to. So now guys, as I explained to you, this will be explained how many days you just need to use these 2. So for herself, we have suggested for next 3 days, as she is a very healthy skin. That lady has taken PRP treatment from us in advance. She's really good at skincare. She uses hyaluronic acid. She doesn't have too much sensitive skin. So it's okay for her to start on the 4th day after her peel. So also, we highly recommend not to use brightening foam or the facial wash 3 times a day. The recommended time is 2 times a day, because too much washing sometimes can cause a lot of dehydration as well. Okay, so how are we going to change our routine on the 4th day as suggested to the patient? Wash your face in the morning, 1 pea size. When I say pea size, I mean the vegetable pea size, like big enough. Cosmelan 2, as you guys can see, Cosmelan 2, followed by Melan Recovery and SPF. So that routine will be pretty much 3 times a day. Definitely 3 times a day for Cosmelan. Each time you put in Cosmelan, you put Melan Recovery with that. That is must. Followed by SPF. As I said, I like my patients to at least use SPF even in the evening as well for up to 2 weeks, because This protects you against UV light, which are tablets, television, computers, laptops, they do contain. So it's a good protection. SPF can be used every 2 hours if somebody's always outside or they have a job that they're always in the public. So make sure 3 times a day. Now, one very important thing I would like to mention, so whenever you're applying any of the products that has been given to you, please never ever use the method where you pump it in your palm, and a lot of people just apply it like that. Because what happens, half of your products have been absorbed in the palm, so basically nothing has went onto your skin. The ideal way is to get any product onto your fingertips, apply it evenly, and then use your fingertips rolling upwards evenly, and then make sure you apply it until it's absorbed. Please, I know sometimes it can be a little bit impatient, but never ever waste a product, because otherwise it's not going to make much of a difference. We will book you at the end of your treatment today. We will book any patient for 4-week skin check, which is really essential. You guys must have to come, because then clinic can assess like how far we have gone into the results and how amazingly we have managed to remove the pigmentation, or if there's anything else you guys need to suggest. But in the meanwhile, if you have any sort of issue, any concern, you can call us and contact us anytime.